Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today IPL stage is set for another electrifying match between Punjab Kings and the Gujarat Titans. This highly anticipated clash between the two Indian captains, where Shubman Gill is leading the Gujarat Titans and Shreyas Iyer leading the Punjab Kings. After being invited to bat first, Punjab Kings got a flying start, scoring 73 runs for the loss of just one wicket in the power play. Delhi led Priyansh Arya showed his skills, setting the tone for the innings. Shreyas Iyer then took the centre stage, justifying why he is highly rated in the Indian cricket, where he has scored 97 runs in just 42 balls, narrowing missing his well-deserved century just by 3 runs. In the back end of the inning, Shashank Singh, retained by the Super Kings, played a crucial cameo, smashing 44 runs in just 16 balls, where he has smashed 20 runs for the spin legend Rashid Khan. Over, the Punjab Kings ultimately posted a daunting total of 243 runs. Mohammad Siraj has a forgettable outing where he has leaked 54 runs in his 4 overs. In the response to the Punjab Kings' daunting target, the Gujarat Titans got to a decent start, scoring 61 runs, but at the loss of star Indian batsman Shubman Gill, who was outfoxed by the Australian Glenn Maxwell. Post that, Sai Sudarshan and Josh Buttler then took the centre stage, sending the ball sailing over the boundaries, keeping the Gujarat Titans' hopes at least alive. However, in the 13th over, Arshdeep Singh trapped Sai Sudarshan, who was struggling with the cramps, to deal a significant blow to the Titan chase. Although Shane Rutherford and Josh Buttler attempted to take on the bowlers, but the impact player from Karnataka, Vijay Kumar Syank, showed his class, deploying his variation to stiff the scorings and ultimately restricting the Gujarat Titans, due to which Punjab Kings were able to win the match by 11 runs. With this thrilling 11 runs of victory, Punjab Super Kings have kicked off their IPL campaign 2025 on a higher note, setting the tone for the exciting season ahead. And moving further, tomorrow again we have another mouth-watering encounter between the heavyweights Rajasthan Royals taking on the Kolkata Knight Riders at the most beautiful state of Assam, renowned for its nature beauty. Do not miss the action. Stay tuned for all the excitement. We will catch you all tomorrow with the live updates, analysis and insights from the IPL festival. By then, take care from Samaji Kaina.